So the number of people I've met when discussing Morgans, and the number of people who have turned around to me and said, "Oh yeah, I got one when I retired," or it was a little treat just for me. And invariably, those people who are saying that to me, and I'm making a sweeping generalisation, and I do apologise to anybody who hasn't done it on this basis. They're at retirement age, 65s, 67s coming soon, obviously, but within that older age category, and they're waiting to buy their Morgan, to treat themselves to the Morgan. And why the feck would you wait? That's the bit I don't understand. Okay, I really don't understand. All right. Why would you wait till then to get a Morgan? I don't get it. Sorry, So I'm not keen on the Morgan bonnet shots because everybody does it. There is a reason why everybody does it, because when you're sat in the car, it looks absolutely beautiful. Camera angle I always think is a little bit high because I'm sat a bit lower than that, and yeah, the view across the bonnet is better, much better from where I'm sat. Anyway, but you enjoy while I just make my way through the lanes. chimney. Gotta love a chimney. I've got a chimney.